The foundation of my life is my family. If they are happy, I'm happy.
I think my own personal recipe for staying centred is not taking yourself too seriously. Am I looking in the right spot? Is that fine? Okay.
The foundation of a fulfilling career is doing something that you love. When you do something that you love, it doesn't feel like work.
What I do isn't about, the colour of my skin. I'm a Kaditch woman and I'm trying to drive change for my community.
What advice would I give myself when I was 20? Don't be swayed by other people's opinion.
I'm Alyce, I'm co-founder of The Daily Edited, but underneath it all, I'm just a creative person and a homebody.
I am Nikki. I'm a YouTube content creator, but underneath it all, I am a mum of two, just trying to make it to the end of the day and just trying to have the most fun with my kids.
I'm Julia. I'm a cook and author, but underneath it all, sometimes we do have toast for dinner.
I'm Rona. I'm the founder of a not-for-profit, but underneath it all, I'm just a massive nerd with a big heart.
I'm Lou. I'm a model and a yoga teacher, but underneath it all, I'm just trying to get through this life, leaving the smallest footprint I can, but having a really good laugh along the way.